burning the bridge that keeps us. I'm here and I'm feeling fearless. Exaggerated, that's what you assume. I must conclude I am conflicted, watching where I step still, hanging in the balance. Not the life I want to live, I want to take it all, standing tall. Fear outweighed the person you are. Oh, break out, I've got to see. Spent all my life holding all of it closely. I played it in a sense, a feel of discontent. I'm finally facing it all, fearless.
I'm trying to tell you that me just doing me gon' have you jealous,